This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make shawarma white sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, half a cup of plain yogurt, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Also, have some salt and pepper ready to taste. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple sauce will truly transform your homemade shawarma. Now, let's combine our key ingredients. In a medium bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of plain yogurt. Next, introduce your 2 finely minced garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. These elements are crucial for that authentic tangy and savory profile. Stir everything together gently until just combined, ensuring a smooth base for our delicious sauce. Once all ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to whisk. Use a small whisk or fork to thoroughly combine everything until the sauce is smooth and creamy without any lumps. If the sauce seems too thick, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cold water, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, taste and adjust the salt, pepper, or lemon juice to achieve a perfectly balanced flavor. For the best flavor, cover your white sauce and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it generously over your homemade chicken or beef shawarma, falafel, or even as a dip for fries. Store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade shawarma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.